to our channel. So today, Jens and I is going to make banana cake. This recipe is handed over to me by my beautiful cousin in Canada. Hello there. I know I'll be sharing this with you later on. So she gave this to me during lockdown, and this recipe has been tested throughout the time, so it really works. You can never go wrong as long as you follow the recipe. And if you want to change it according to your taste, add and tweak a little bit of the ingredients, then that's also possible. Just find the ingredients on the description below and I'm gonna write it down for you. Okay guys, let's start. Good job, put everything in. Put everything in, baby. Good job. Yeah, put everything in. Be careful.
Go.
Good job. Next.
Wow.
And the other one. That's the vanilla. Good job. Next is the banana, baby. Yes? Next is the banana. Huh? Flour?
Mama.
What do you mean flour?
Mama.
Yeah?
No. No.
Yeah. Good job. Be careful. Put everything in.
Wow.
Oh, is it flour? Yeah. Mama will help you? Wait lang. Look! Yes! You did not, you have to put it on slow. Scenic. Hi everyone, so we're on our way to the grocery store again because we were making a banana cake, but then it turned out I don't have eggs in the fridge. I only have one left, so we're gonna go and get some. Hey! See you later.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
Raining.
I know it's raining. Let's go. One. Okay, and then we go down back again. What are we gonna do? Are you gonna go out? We go both, Kappa. Come. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going, baby? Where? Sisalane for autos. Come. Let's pick our eggs and we go. Come. Hurry. That BG, not the one but BG, the other one, yeah, E.
I got my eyes low with sky flows where the rhyme flows. I don't really know just what we might go with the mind scope. So many things I never learned with my eyes closed. Too busy with the schemes, I'm the telling of my dreams on the rail, bitch. I grind like my life's on the line, hella wide. So far through with the light sticks. We open up when the light flicks. On sight, yelling cash rolls, everything around. Hunting for the bounty.
Yeah, that's ew. Come.
Ran a tree down by the ounce. Liquor skin brown, slip it down to the earth, spin around. Like you said, let's to make it count. Tell the people I need 3, 4, 5, better count it back out loud. When we get in for the
Baby,
night,
here's
I
your
never hit
egg.
reply, but it red. I just wanna feel alive. Life is so much more than the bills. I just want a house in the hills. I just wanna look into her eyes while I'm gripping on the thighs, so she knowing that it's real. They don't really want it with the kid. I do this shit to feed my future kids. And I got these lame niggas crossed cause I'm starving. They gotta see my highlight. Real.
Go to the counter.
Because as soon as I'm asleep,
Yeah, go to the counter and we pay for the egg.
everything in the rose gold, it might go for me.
Nene, follow the
Pinpoint in the
woman.
globe, so I wanted to go.
Yeah,
for
we
me.
pay there.
Just know that I don't fit in, but I wanna feel everything. Everything, yeah.
Hello.
Everything, yeah. Everything, yeah.
Win hi, Cassie. Cassie's not here. What about Kai Kai?
But I wanna feel everything, everything, yeah.
Is it spinning? Wow.
Wow.
Yeah. Hi guys. So we are finally here at home. And our banana cake's gonna be in the mixer for about 5 minutes. And then we place it in the oven. Come here, we're gonna put it in the oven, okay? Okay? And the cake is clear.
Oh.
And the cake is clear. Ooh, yee. Okay guys, that's our cake. Our banana cake.
You're so fine, oh lady. Let your body take control. You're on my mind, baby. Just move a little closer. And I say, oh, it's a night we'll both remember.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. If you haven't clicked the like button and the subscribe button, please do so. That would really help us a lot. I just dropped Jens at the kindergarten a while ago. I'm almost home, on my way now to eat the banana cake. Jens had one piece already earlier, so I'm gonna do that myself. It's funny though that I'm still trying my hardest not to feel shy when I'm vlogging with people around me. So that's still something I have to get used to as time goes by. Until now, I'm very uncomfortable. So I always choose a spot where there's no people. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Till my next vlog. Bye bye.
It's a night we'll both remember.